Sugoi! Oh, is that gonna be us in the future, Ling? Hey, OOTD. This is Ling's OOTD photo for the day. In front of the LEEUWIN Naturalist Lighthouse. That's bloody amazing, mate. Just coastline as far as the eye can see. You might think that we're facing west. That was more Kiwi. You might think that we're facing west. We're facing north. That's where Robert Pattinson was butt naked and then he fell down the stairs. The lighthouse, if you haven't seen it, highly recommend it. If you want to feel cold and wet while watching a movie, I guarantee you will feel that way when you watch The Lighthouse. One of our Aussie mates, Dean, he told us about this game that they used to play as kids. When you're 14 years old and you have nothing better to do except drink wine from a bag. You know those boxes of wine? They call them goon bags over here. And they say that the only two people that drink goon bags in Australia are backpackers and bogans. But anyways, there's this game called Goon of Fortune where they hang the bag on the clothesline, one of these ones that rotate, and then they just spin it. You spin the goon bag in a big circle, and whoever that goon bag lands on has to take a drink. And that, my friends, is Goon of Fortune. Play it with your friends. If you find yourself in New Zealand or Australia, they both have those rotating clotheslines. Maybe you have one in America. Buy yourself a box of wine, hang the bag, and play Goon of Fortune.
In Canada, it would be not Goon of Fortune, it'd be like Milk of Fortune. It wouldn't be a bag of wine.
That's not fun.
It'd be a bag of milk.
Keep playing until you vomit milk. We went with the rental company No Birds. The only problem is the cars are everywhere. They've got thousands of their fleets everywhere. Which one's ours? It's identical. Bellino, No Birds, No Birds. This is us, by the way. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Oh, I forgot my phone. Mate, I forgot my phone.
Oh God, just take it.
I forgot my phone. Ska makes my throat scratchy. Oh my God, I'm so tired.
What do we have to say for ourselves? Toughen.
Get the bag, put some snacks in there.
Put your hand here. Go.
Anyways, guys, we are here at Ngilgi Caves, Western Australia's first tourist attraction.
Watch, it's not even pronounced Ngilgi.
$24 to get access to the caves. It's a self-guided tour where you can just explore the stalactites, hold on tight, stalagmite might poke you in the ass before it reaches the hottest part of the day, perfectly timed with going into a cave where it is a cool 20 degrees all year round. Let's get in those caves and get poked in the ass by a stalagmite.
Or by your wife.
Oh, look at that. She's got the water as I requested. She's got the snacks.
Oh, this is for me. Where's yours?
What am I gonna eat? There was an Aussie guy that was living at the campground yesterday. Every second word he said was seek. Oh, bro, that's so seek. Oh, seek, bro, seek.
Why is the table so sticky?
Why is the table so sticky? All right, I'm gonna put some shoes on and switch these prescription lenses, sunnies, for my lunettes, because wearing sunglasses in a cave doesn't sound like a good idea. The water tastes different here. The water. It tastes different. I was saying the water tastes different here compared to Perth.
No, I got you. I understood you the first time.
It tastes different.
You sound South African.
Hey, brew, it tastes different.
The tough guys that work for Tuffin.
They work for Tuffin. Those are tough guys. We've been pronouncing it wrong. It's not Ngilgi.
We are here at Ngilgi Caves.
It's pronounced Ngilgi. Ngilgi. A 1 hour tour, so make sure you empty your bowels before venturing into the caves.
I think you're the only one who's concerned about the bowels part.
Canada? Melbourne?
Melbourne, I'll say that for you, mate. Thank you.
Oh, look at that spider.
Whoa. 37 meters deep is the deepest part. 350 steps down, 350 steps back up. Wow. What a hole.
Okay, so there are spiders here.
Are there really?
I kind of heard him say that there was also scorpions. And that last week he saw a rat.
Scorpions, spiders, and
but he thinks that
rats.
the rat just happened to fall down
Right.
into the hole.
And is doomed.
And is doomed.
CO2 levels are higher here, so he said to take your time. But wow, look at that, man. So they tell you to lie down on this exact spot, close your eyes, and then look up, and you're supposed to see a thylacine lunging at your throat. No, I don't know. They just sit.
What?
You don't want to lie down. You don't want to dirty your shirts.
A bit of a germaphobe.
Lie down. Close your eyes. How long do you close your eyes for? Whoa. That is a trip, though. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that. Is that a spider web up there?
Cobwebs.
Ooh, it's a big one too. Imagine the size of a spider that would live in Ngilgi Caves. Freaking ling out. And watch your head too. Once a week someone bangs their head.
Because I'm short.
You just walk right under it. Wow. Here, let me take your photo. You take your photo. Post this on the gram. Beauty. Wow, claustrophobia much, eh? I have to say, guys, this is quite a hole. Damn, that's a tight fit. That's what she said. We're just going deeper and deeper, mates. Okay. Okay. Tight squeeze. Imagine all the freaky shit that happened down there. There's probably like a fossilized prophylactic from 1903 somewhere in there.
I like old DNA.
And then you take that DNA and then create a man from 1903. Yeah, do you feel difference in the air? It's not that I'm out of breath, but it's just different. I don't know. All right, cave fauna. Centipedes, isopods, spiders, and pseudoscorpions. Yippee.
So does that
Someone
set
sent you
the
a
mood?
dick pic. You should delete that dick pic thing.
The cave sent me a dick pic.
Oh yeah, it's red. Maybe the red sand? Is that red sand?
Yeah, it is. That's the original soil from 1 million years ago that was upstairs.
Holy.
That's paleo soil, so that's 1 million years old, that soil. And that's
Wow.
what used to be at the top of the cave. You can see the drops on the end of these straws here.
Oh.
That's a stalactite growing right
That's
now.
the very beginning.
That's the beginning. This one's 2,000 years old.
That's 2,000.
So there's the valley. And
Okay.
overlooking the valley is King Kong.
Ah, you know what? I saw that.
Did you think so?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right when I was looking out, I'm like, it looks like the back of a gorilla's
There you go.
head.
Yeah, right.
Kind of pointy. I'm gonna start to surface. Make our way up. Let's go.
It's easy for you.
Watch out for the spiders, Lang. It's a lot of cobwebs. A lot of cobwebs.
I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's get out of this cave and get some normal level of oxygen in the atmosphere. Can you imagine the size of a spider that would live in this cave if you saw that? No, thank you. Take the door. Let me get out of here. It's right there. Oh, it's so much warmer, but I can breathe easy, y'all.
Is it still hot out there?
Still hot out there, yeah.
Is it still hot out there?
You try the hot fudge sundae?
Tried the lasagna? It's my favorite.
Do you like hot fudge sundaes?
It's still hot fudge sundae out there?
All right.
Definitely the top cave that we've ever visited. This one's number 1.
It's not the number 1 as in best in Oz. That's not what I meant. It was
The first.
The first one for us.
We've worked up a appetite, so we're gonna head down to Margaret River and get some lunchki at the brewery. But thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you next week on my channel. In case you didn't know.
No.
Bye.